I was told off, but there's a lovely old plantation house just there. An old.
This is a white crowned parrot.
See, it's like owls. I mean, it's not an owl, but it's related to owl family.
Right.
This is beautiful. I mean, most of the time they camouflage with a lot of branches and everything. Where he is, here is the largest cuckoo we have in Costa Rica. Right at like 12 o'clock in this direction, like 12 o'clock from those leaves, these green leaves in front, like a meter up. Striped cuckoo, beautiful. See, that's what he's doing right now.
Some people don't know.
No, it's gonna be worse.
And hats just make you sweat, so.
We haven't seen this species. They have a long-tailed hermit hummingbird. We know this one for years.
Hummingbird.
Oh my God, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Flew off and then it came back in the same spot, so I was still in focus. Well, roughly speaking, reasonably, yeah.
I've been getting some good ones in
This is a female.
Still in there.
Yeah, and so.
Gotcha. Okay, what's the time of meeting?
Green kingfisher.